All right, we're going to continue looking at how to add and subtract rational expressions here. We have 4 over c plus 2 minus 2 over c squared minus 4. Okay, we're going to start by factoring each of the denominators. So c plus 2 does not factor into anything. C squared minus 4, that's a difference of 2 squares. That factors into c plus 2 times c minus 2. Okay, so remember we're looking for the LCM of c plus 2 and c squared minus 4. So that's going to be the factors they have in common, which if you look, they both have a c plus 2 in common. After you factor it, that is, they both have a c plus 2 in common, multiplied by the factors they don't have in common, which they don't have a c minus 2 in common. So the LCM of c plus 2 and c squared minus 4 is c plus 2 times c minus 2, which is c squared minus 4. Okay, we'll multiply it back out at the end. Okay, so I need to create that for both of these. So the first one already has the c plus 2. I need to multiply that by c minus 2. Put it over on the other side, actually. I need to multiply that by c minus 2 to create the LCD. Now, the second fraction already has both of them, so I don't need to do anything to that one. Okay, so I'm going to distribute here. So that's 4c minus 8 over c plus 2, c minus 2, minus 2 over c plus 2, c minus 2. Now that they're over the same thing, my answer is also going to be over c plus 2, c minus 2. And all I have to do now is the operation with the numerators. So 4c minus 8 minus 2. That's 4c minus 10, because negative 8 minus 2 is negative 10. And the denominator should be in standard form. Okay, so I'm going to distribute to put this in standard form. C squared minus 2c plus 2c minus 4. So 4c minus 10 in the numerator, c squared minus 4 in the denominator. And that will be the difference of those two. All right, now we do need to make sure that the denominator and numerator are in standard form. All right, so that's why we multiply the denominator back out. Okay, we multiply it back out so that it's in standard form. Number 5, we have x minus 1 over x squared minus x minus 6 plus 4 over x plus 2. Okay, we'll start by factoring the denominators. So x squared minus x minus 6, that factors into x minus 3 and x plus 2, because negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, plus 4, and then x plus 2 does not factor. So we're looking for the LCM of x squared minus x minus 6 and x plus 2, which will be the factors that it has in common, So the factors they have in common is x plus 2, multiplied by the factors it doesn't have in common, which is the x minus 3. So the LCM is x plus 2, x minus 3, which is x squared minus x minus 6. So I just need to make that LCD for both of these fractions. Now the first one already has that as an LCD. Okay, it already has both of them. But the second fraction has the x plus 2, and it's missing the x minus 3. So I need to multiply that by x minus 3. So this stays the same. I got x minus 1 over x minus 3 times x plus 2, plus, put this in standard form, 4x minus 12 over x minus 3 times x plus 2. And now my answer is going to be, now that the denominator is the same, my answer is going to be over that denominator. And all I have to do is the operation and the numerator. So I got x minus 1 plus 4x minus 12. Combine the like terms, x and 4x, that's 5x. Negative 1 and negative 12, that's negative 13. And then put the denominator here back in standard form, which you can do by distributing. But remember, we already know x plus 2 times x minus 3 is x squared minus x minus 6. So I'll just write that, x squared minus x minus 6. No need in doing more work than I have to. And this will be the sum of those two fractions in simplest form. Number 6, we have 3 over x plus 3 minus x over x minus 4. Now, unfortunately, neither of these factor. Okay, x plus 3 doesn't factor, x minus 4 doesn't factor. So we're looking for the LCM of x plus 3 and x minus 4. Well, they don't have any factors in common. Factors that they don't have in common would be x plus 3 and x minus 4. Okay, so we're essentially just multiplying each of them by each other. Okay, so the first fraction to make the LCD, we would multiply it by x minus 4. So the top and bottom get multiplied by x minus 4. Second fraction to make the LCD, multiply it by x plus 3. All right, so distribute 3x minus 12 over x plus 3, x minus 4, minus, distribute, x squared plus 3x over x plus 3, x minus 4. Well, now they have the same denominator, so that I know the answer is going to be over the denominator, x plus 3 times x minus 4. All I have to do is the operation and the numerator. Now keep in mind, this whole thing's being subtracted, so we need parentheses. So you got 3x minus 12 minus parentheses x squared plus 3x. Okay, both of those are being subtracted. So what we're looking at here is 3x minus 12 minus x squared minus 3x over, distribute here to put this into standard form. X times x is x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Combine the like terms and then put it in standard form. So 3x and negative 3x, those cancel. So I got negative x squared minus 12 in the numerator. The denominator, I have x squared minus x, because these two combine to make minus x, minus 12. And there we have our difference. All right, here are the problems for the homework.